After reaching Rishikesh, we discovered a hidden beach, visited the Beatles Museum, and then we watched the Ganga Aarti at the Parmat Niketan Ashram. Today, we trek up to the most gorgeous multi-storied waterfall, the Neergarh Waterfall. So we are going towards Neer waterfall right now. Neergarh waterfall. There are two waterfalls. One Neergarh 1 and Neergarh 2. So we are heading towards that. We hired a scooty from a place called Mountain Fox Adventure, just in the middle of the city, Rishikesh city. Now the booking process was very easy. For a day's rent it was 400 rupees, and they kept 500 rupees as a deposit and the Aadhaar card. So from Tapovan it is around 4 kilometers. We first thought of trekking, but it was very sunny, and so we decided to hire a scooter. Bus. She left me on the streets. She didn't want me to be riding pillion on her scooty. I need to walk right now. She hasn't driven on this hilly roads before, so it is more difficult for her with a pillion also. So we are going towards Neergarh Waterfalls. Yeah. So the drive was around 4 kilometers.
Yeah.
4 kilometers from our hotel, and now I think another 500 meters to walk.
Yeah. Here we are sitting. You can see here the tables and the chairs. We had a cup of tea and a plate of Maggi, and it was the weather here is cooler than that of Rishikesh. It was, I mean, it's just a nice, quaint environment sitting. So this is how the waterfall looks like. Beautiful turquoise blue color. It is coming all the way from there. And we were sitting at that place. You can see the chairs arranged. Those 4 chairs on the table. Okay, so right now we are trekking towards the Neergarh Waterfall number 2. It's half a kilometer trek from this waterfall. I'm breathless.
Just by
fighting
walking,
for breath.
just by walking 300 meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not walking. I'm climbing very tall steps.
But
Around.
how is the view?
The way is good. It's all green everywhere. But I can't see the waterfall.
It will be there. Another 100 meters or so, I think. बट थोड़ा दर्शन कर लेते हैं। हाँ पहुंचे गए थे।
Okay, so this is the higher level of the Neergarh Waterfall. Right now we are at a small kiosk. They sell snacks like Maggi, coffee, and some beverages and some soft drinks. Other than that, so we are here for a cup of coffee. We will be having that, and then we will be starting our trek downwards towards nature. We were sitting here for around 1 hour, and it felt so nice sitting here under the shade of trees by the sound of the waterfall and the white water flowing beside us. It was something really beautiful. And after the initial that phase that we were really skeptical whether we would be able to come here or not, because it was 4 hours away, 4 kilometers away from our hotel, and there aren't any public transports available, and trekking all the way was kind of difficult. I think it was a really good decision to hire a scooty, and although I was driving a scooty after one year, and I never drove on hilly roads, those hairpin loops and all, but it was all worth it coming here, sitting here by the waterfall. It was just amazing, to say the least.
Okay, I'm back on my scooty with my driver. The water here is so blue, so blue. The gorgeous, gorgeous sun. The sun is like awesome right now. So we are having some momo. Momo is having momo after a long tiring drive of scooty. So we are at this place called the Roadhouse Bistro. It is in Tapovan, just nearby the Swiss cottages, and just walking distance from the hotel that we are staying in. And it has a very quirky looking interior. On posters, and quite cute and quaint.